What is up, guys? So what I'm gonna do today we're gonna do something really simple. It's just basically steaming chicken. Alright, I'm gonna use my trusty rice cooker right over here. This baby is gonna light up my chicken so good that you're like just like what mate, what? But to right here, my boy, right, is done and dusted. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the steaming rack, put in the rice cooker, put my chicken onto a plate, and then cook the rice with the chicken and yes. So yeah, let's get right into it. Right, so I'm gonna add my oil, right. Then, very simply, I'll just get my chicken and put it right there. Then some of that chicken juice, you know, you don't want to waste them. Yeah, put
We're
that
gonna add one more ingredient, one more to make it taste better. Chinese wine.
We're
Yeah!
gonna fill up half a cup.
So what you want is you just want a pinch of this beautiful wine, enhance the flavor so much more. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna put it into the cooker now. Alright, let's go.
I have my rice, alright, my rack, beautiful. My chicken into the rack. Oh baby. Alright, close my rice and pump it up. Tuck. You hear that tuck? Tuck. Start to cook. I know, let me just explain how this all works. You know, we're gonna use the time to cook 1 cup of rice to cook the chicken itself. Immediately, you kill 2 birds with 1 stone. But this time we use 1 rice cooker to cook 2 things. Maybe for you guys, it might vary. Maybe you have very little rice, but you have a lot of chicken. Wouldn't be cooked enough, right? So later we'll check it out. Right, my chicken is small. I would expect it to cook, but we will still look right into it.
A few minutes later.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can smell that. Oh my god, look at that, look at that. Perfect. Looks good. Alright, the rice cooker has just gone off, you know. Rice cooker things, they do it for me. Alright, so here I am. Alright, there's still a bit of blood. I saw like my chicken admittedly is not very cooked. Alright, I'm gonna take the rice out and I'm gonna put in more water and I'm gonna allow the steaming to continue occurring. But at the same time, you could use this bad boy too. Alright, use your pan, you know, the charred sides, you know, you're gonna cook it like that. But today I'm aiming for steamed chicken. I've replaced the rice with the bad boy back in. And continue the cooking. Alright, you hear the tuck? Tuck, let's go. Yeah, so that seemed a bit troublesome. Yeah, but I promise you guys, it will taste amazing at the end. Trust me on this. It tastes so good. You'll be like, why so good? Why so good? Yes, that will be the reaction when you put the chicken in your mouth. I'm back. It's been 5 minutes since my thing got you know, the boiling, you know, and let's check it out. I'm just gonna get my chopsticks through, have a quick check. Okay, seems good. Right, so let's think about this, alright? You guys have to make sure when you are steaming it separately, your rice cooker would not go off by itself. So, you gotta make sure yourself, you gotta check it out, you know, when it's boiling, you know. And then also, a plus side, a thing that you guys should remember, alright? When you put water for a post steam, you know, you don't have to put so much water. You don't need the full cook now because it's already almost done. You know, what I did, I just put like 1 cup. And that's good. That is really good enough for you to get your chicken going. And yeah, I will go and taste my chicken now. Done. So that was easy. You know, just put it in the steamer, let the steamer do the work, and you are good to go. So I'm just gonna some chicken, alright, some of my rice. And chicken is perfectly cooked. Oh my god, it's so tender. Remember that paste I told you about? It's so good. The Chinese wine really gets into the chicken. It's so good. There is even the sauce from the chicken. You know, when it cooks, it releases all this juice, all this chicken juice. All I added was some oil. And that's about it. It's really good, really simple. You guys can do it too. And yeah, thank you for watching.
And if you like this content, don't forget to click here to subscribe and click here to watch another video. And over here, I have my Instagram handle. So yeah, I'll see you the next time.